Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to reactivate a delayed Facebook account. Okay, so let's get started. If you deactivate your Facebook account, okay, you can reactivate it at any time by simply, okay, first of all click on Facebook app, go to facebook.com or open the Facebook app. Okay, click on menus, scroll down, log in using your tap on logout. Okay, then tap on this option and log in using your old email, phone number and password, and your account will be reactivated once you successfully log in. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.